Hello, crafty cuties! The moment that many of us have been waiting for. I am here to do the official unboxing of the Bohemian Junk Trunk kits. As I was editing, I realized that I did not tell you guys where you could get these kits. They are going to be available in my Etsy shop. I'll have the link below. It's Cool Mom Book Boutique. Cool Mom Book Boutique, one word. And they will be available July 8th, Sunday, at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I also have a fabric pack to show you. I have a few add-on items like trim bags and extra fabrics. So I'm going to start with the full kit. If you wanted to see one of these, then be sure to stick around and we're gonna get started. One thing that I have to say is that I need you to keep in mind that I'm going to show you one example of a kit. However, there's going to be lots of variations within the fabrics and trims that come in your kit. So I don't want you to look at this and think that's exactly what you're going to get. It's a really good representation. It's a good representation of amount and variation and whatnot, but each kit's going to be pretty unique when it comes to the fabric and the trims. Everything else is pretty much going to be identical. So the full kit is $60 plus shipping. These are 14 ounces, so the shipping on international, again, is pretty expensive. I do offer a $5 off coupon code for international orders. You have to type in the code international while you're checking out, and you need to do that like while you're actually purchasing the kit. Other than that, the kit comes with a 6-video course going over things like showing you how to make a patchwork journal like this, a wraparound journal like this, Bohemian beads is one of the videos, a Bohemian tassel, I think, let's see, there's a few more, like layered tabs and layered pocket tags. You will also get the Bohemian printables, which includes 3 pages of the Bohemian tags and journal cards. And I have full flip throughs on both of these, so if you want to see these, then check out that video. But I used the items in the kits to make these two so you can get a good idea. And I would say that if you use your products wisely, you can absolutely make 2 full journals with the kit. And you may need to like incorporate some extra paper or whatnot. One other thing I just want to mention really quick is I do have a free gift with purchase. If you purchase the full kit on the first day of the release, you will get a little mini embellishment, or I guess ephemera pack, and it just has some things like tags, guest checks, and different die cuts like so. So you don't have to do anything extra for those. These will just come in your kit if you purchase on the first day the full kit. So let's go ahead and dig right in. This is pretty much how it's going to be packaged. I don't have the shipping prices right now, but I'll have all the information at least on the listing, and I'll try to get it to you sooner on this video. So let's go ahead. So you're going to have 2 different packs here. I have your papers and embellishments and things like that separately with chipboard because I wanted this to stay nice and protected. And so you are going to get a piece of chipboard that can be used to create a journal or whatever you want. You are going to get some coffee dyed paper. You are going to get, I did include 1 piece of like scrapbook paper, and the prints vary. They are all completely different. And that's just, I just had extra paper. I want to include it. I like to use paper to line the insides of my books, so you can use it for many different things. And then you'll get a little variation of vintage and botanical book pages. It will have some vintage dictionary pages. It will have some botanical pages from one of my favorite books. It'll have just some other random pages that maybe have some illustrations, some map pages, things like this. And again, those are going to vary, but that's about the amount that you would get as well. I think it's like, it's probably like 9 or 10 pages just looking at it. You're going to get a full journal kit. This is the Rustic Bohemian 2, and this is from Mind Beretti on Etsy. I have her information on the kit here, so you can check out her shop and you can see the other things that she has, but I'll show you the different pages here. This is a super cute kit, and I think that it pairs so well with my kit. And then you get 3 full tags, which is nice. So then you're also going to get a little envelope, and inside here has the secret links to that video course and of some printables, and it's 3 pages of printables. So there's that. You're also going to get 2 different packs. Now I know just by looking at these look kind of the same, but they are different. So the one that has these like the wire and the things that look like straws, this is a little pack for you to make Bohemian beads. Again, looks like this. And it has everything that you need in here to create Bohemian beads. And again, that's one of the tutorials. I show you how to do that. And so everything and more really, but I just wanted it to be in one pack because I thought that would make it really simple. And of course you can incorporate other things that are in the kits to make your beads if you want. You can even incorporate things that are in this little embellishment pack as well. So feel free to mix and match, of course. I just wanted it to be simple. You can make a bead like using just this kit. So this is just like a little embellishment kit here, or pack, and it has things like sequins, little diamond bling, vintage buttons, little bulb pins and bells, a tassel ring, rhinestones, things like that. And then we get into what I think is the most exciting part, is the trims and the fabrics. So each kit is going to have in your fabric pack, I'm going to show you what will be all of the same, is you're going to get a piece of muslin. You can use this for the base of a journal, or you can cut it up and use it for different things. So you'll get a piece of this. This is about like 11 by 11 or 12 by 12, like approximately. You will get a full embroidery floss. You can use this for binding or decorating embellishments and things like that. You'll get a doily. The sizes and colors totally vary, but you will get a crocheted doily. And you will get a full piece of this Indian Cantha quilt. However, the prints and colors completely vary. The sizes are 13 inches by 10, somewhere around there. It's definitely enough if you wanted to create a wrap journal like I did with mine. You will also get a little pack here of different fabrics that I have been gathering for the last like literally 6 months, you guys. And it includes, like, I'm not going to call them scrap pieces, but cut up pieces from actual Indian saris and clothing and things like that, and they're all going to vary. Not one pack is going to be the same, but I'm going to just show you one. I just randomly put this one together as I was curating these little packs. So here's one. So you'll definitely have some that have some beading. You'll definitely have some that has embroidery. Some will have like gold foil. You'll have a good variation of different types and colors. You're going to have some neutrals. You'll have some brighter colors. So I'm just going to show you kind of some examples. These are really, really pretty. Some kits might have like a bigger piece of this pink. Some might have 2 that are cut down. Again, it just really depends. Some have like little pieces of, like I said, embroidery. Some might just be plain. Some pieces might be pretty small and look like I guess you could call it, like I said, like a scrap, but it's pretty fabric and I just wanted to be able to include it. This one has some really pretty beading. This one's sheer. There's some florals and kind of a bohemian design there. So you can see there's a good variety in here. Good colors, some velvets, some more embroidery, and some really pretty beading on this one. So I'm excited that each kit honestly is pretty different when it comes to the fabrics, because I really want you guys to be able to create something unique. Then for the trim bag, this is also going to kind of vary, but again, good representation. You'll get some different types of trims, like this one's like a crocheted trim. Every kit will have some of this. Every kit will have some sari ribbon. Every kit will have some of this type of trim. It's really gorgeous as a tassel, and they go really well, I think, with the colors and the pieces that are in this kit, and a little bit of lace. So that is everything that is in the Bohemian kits. I'm super excited. I feel like I was able to put a lot together in these kits. Let me go over the fabric pack. I will say that the fabric packs, this is just the fabric pack that's sold separately. It's going to be similar to what I just showed you what was in this pack. They're all similar, but I just wanted to kind of show you so that you could see two different fabric packs and see how they vary. So you're going to have the fabric pack, you're going to have the trim pack, and then you get a little mini embellishment kit with this one. But this pack does not come with the video course. There's also a full embroidery floss that each kit will have. So let me show you what another little fabric pack looks like here. So again, you have the Cantha quilt. You can see those designs are different than what I showed you at first. You get the piece of muslin. You get a doily. That one's different than the first. And then these fabrics, again, are different, but I'll just kind of quickly go through. Some beadwork, some different designs and textures, different sizes of squares. And if you see that there's going to be some squares that might be like smaller, like I'm pretty sure, like these two. So even though those are small pieces, you can easily use them in the patchwork journals. And basically that meant that I put two smaller pieces rather than like a bigger piece. So all kinds of different prints. This one, oh, I love this fabric so much. So you can see there are a lot of similarities. Like each kit is going to get a piece of this sari and this one and this one. And then the trim pack, it's the same as the first one. So you get all kinds of different trims, some of the sari silk, ribbon. Yeah, there you go. And so that is the fabric pack, and that is $35 plus shipping. Shipping on this is less expensive because it weighs less. So if you're international, this is probably a good option. And I think when I did another video, I'm pretty sure I accidentally said $30. When I got everything together, it's $35 plus shipping. One more thing that I quickly want to go over is that I will have a few fabric add-on options. I'm going to have some of the Cantha quilts that is like big enough for a journal cover. I'm going to have some bigger pieces of muslin, and then just a few different fabrics that are basically cut to like the size of, you could use it for a junk journal cover. So I don't have a ton of different fabrics, but you can check that out as you are shopping. And I also plan to have some extra trim packs. And again, it's just a variety of trims in here. Some eyelash trims and, trims that you can use for your covers or to make tassels, whatever you'd like. So those are a couple add-on options. And then the last thing is I also will have the video course available separate, and that includes the 6 videos, and it includes the 3 pages of printables. With that, I also include a page that shares my favorite shops for Bohemian materials. And so that comes with it. And again, the 6 videos that are included is going over how to make a patchwork journal, how to make a wraparound journal, how to make, let's see, I think I have a tag in here, a pocket tag like this. I have a video on Bohemian beads, a video on Bohemian tassels, and one on layered textile tabs like the ones on the edge here. So I think it's a super fun video course. Super excited I was able to create it for you guys, and I just cannot wait to see what you guys create. So I know that's a lot of information, but I do hope that that helps you know what to expect in your kits. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. The release is July 8th, Sunday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Feel free to check the description for any further information, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.